you've been thinking about starting your YouTube channel, but months keep slipping by, this is your reset moment. For the next 30 days, I'll walk you step by step through how to grow from zero to your first real audience. 10 minutes a day, one action a day. By the end, you'll be ahead of 99% of the people who keep researching but never start. This is the Creator Breakthrough Series. It's not a playlist to binge, it's a challenge to execute. Make the decision right now. Watch one video a day, do one task a day, and comment "I'm in" the comments below. Let this be the moment you stopped planning and finally started building your channel. People don't fail on YouTube because they're bad at YouTube. They fail because they start alone. They overthink, they compare, and disappear when motivation fades. You don't need more information. You need structure, accountability, and momentum. That's what this challenge gives you. And that's why for this challenge, I recommend that you join the Creator Boost Tribe. It's my Skool community and it's free to stay accountable, share your streaks, and get real support. So there's a link in the description below. So YouTube rewards consistency, not perfection. So for the next 30 days, that's our only goal. Show up and take action. So we're doing this with 10-minute videos. The 10-minute plan isn't about finishing everything fast. It's about daily focus that compounds. One clear idea, one small action. That's how you build momentum. We'll follow my simple roadmap called FLOW. Stands for F, foundation, L for launch, O for optimization, and W for wealth. Each week builds on the last. So by day 30, you'll have both the mindset and the systems to keep growing without burning out. So how do you win this challenge? Step 1, you show up daily and protect those 10 minutes. Treat them like an appointment. Step 2, you apply everything you're learning immediately. Don't just binge the content. I want you to implement the content. Take action. Step 3 is to track your streaks. Use the free tracker below this video, and every check mark is proof that you're doing the work. Step 4, join the Creator Boost Tribe, and that's where you can stay accountable with others and get answers fast if you hit road bumps. And step 5 is reflect, don't compare. At the end of each day, ask what clicked for me today. 30 days, 30 insights, a new identity forming fast. The real win with this challenge isn't about learning YouTube, it's about becoming the kind of person who follows through with doing YouTube. Every time you show up, you prove you can be trusted with your own goals. When I started, I had every excuse not to keep going. I had 3 kids, no time, and no experience, but I chose to show up anyway. And that decision changed everything for me, and it will for you too if you keep showing up. So here's your action step for today, which I will have at the end of every video in this next 30 days. Number 1, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss tomorrow's challenge. Step 2, comment day 1 done in the comments below. Step 3, join the Creator Boost Tribe to stay accountable and move through this challenge with others to keep your motivation high. This is where the momentum starts, so I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 2, where we'll map your channel direction without overthinking it. Congratulations, you've started something beautiful. Let's keep it going. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.